To see if I'm going to like revise, can we
I do
access
actually.
the slides to go back through?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Jish, 2 people.
Yes, yeah.
And then Truer, it's showing the pictures now. 3 people. Truer.
Oh, yeah.
So Jish and Truer are different. Kerar, that's a bit different as well. Kerar. And then then you add nar, pretty much. So koigna.
Yeah.
It's just because of the spelling, because there's an I here. So basically we just add nar, but because of the spelling, we need to spell it like this. So koigna, and then shianar. So again, we just add, and then shachnar. Again, we add nar, shachnar.
Yeah.
And then same with this ochnar. So we also add nar, ochnar, 8 people. And then pretty much the same when you need to do it like this. So nunar,
No.
and then jechna. So pretty much the same thing. Jechna, 10 people. So it goes from 2 to 10. The question we had last time, avait fewer no brachar akov. So you can.
Yeah.
So if you have more than one sister, more than one brother, you would be using this hajish ferichanakam or hajish vraranakam. Hajish vraran agus piwarakam if you have 2 brothers and a sister.
Yeah.
So they're pure na braharakam.
So trier, is it trier? Trier pure in akam. Agus
ferichanakam.
Ferichanakam. Agus in brahar akam.
So with it goes like this. Pure agus brahar. So had truer ferichanakam agus brahar. Clever. Okay. So if we were asking you this question about your own family, about your parents' family rather than your own family. Cavíad duine háans an teach